Hey guys, it's me, Jordan, back at again making another, video. Um, so today I want to show you guys how to make a stop motion animated video. Now, this may be a little tricky, but, one thing I have to say for you guys to do this, I'm sorry for any of you Android fans, but this will be only for iPhone users. Well, to my knowledge, I only know how to use this on an iPhone, because I've tried to tell other people how to do it on other phones, and they say they don't know how to do it. Well, at least they couldn't find the app. So the app you need to look for is right here on the screen. It's called Stickbot Studios. And in Stickbot Studios, this is how you are going to animate your videos. This is how I animate my Sonic Short series, my Chronicles of Spider-Man series. That's how you're gonna do that. It's with this little handy app. Now you go to gallery, and I have this test video I made earlier. It's not an actual video I'm making. I did another recording, but apparently the audio didn't catch. None of my voice was being caught on the phone, and I might be doing this again, but who knows. So yeah, the test video is this. Hello. It's Sonic waving and saying hello with my voice. Now, how I did this is you see this editing tool? I have all the frames. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. So, see this? See this little Sonic right here? He looks normal. Well, if you click this little thing will come up. Now, I think it's optional. You can take this off or stuff. If it doesn't show up, you can go right here, and I think it's settings and ghost images. You can get rid of that. But I would say keep it on because it helps animate the video. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the little hand and I'm gonna make it go down a bit. Then click this little red camera in a white circle right here. Bam, takes another picture. Then go down again. His hand goes down. Go down again. Then go up. Then go up. So yeah. And then you go up again. Take a picture. Perfect. Perfect, right? Now let's see our little animated video. So we go right here. Hello. See, Sonic's waving, and you can see the animation I did. See, it's really simple, but for you to make stuff like I am, it is going to take hours. Most of my episodes are 1 minute and 30 seconds long. Yeah, that took me, and I only do it in a day, and it takes hours to make. It is extremely hard. I can kid you not, it is hard to make this stuff. Alright, but it is satisfying to see it all come together. Now you've seen now I've showed you how to animate it. Let me show you a little bit of editing. So right here, this is you can put audio in here, and that's how I put the hello and boing sound into it. Now you can't do as it popped up before. You can't do multiple audios in one frame. See, look, if I try to do it, this is only one audio. So go right there. So yeah, but right here, this comes up. Now you'll want to hit record. I don't want to hit record right now, but if you hit record, you have 3 seconds to prepare what you're about to say or you're about to put in. And I usually put songs, voice lines, all that. And it's really that simple. And then you're gonna want to click right here. This record will turn into a stop. When you're done saying what you were saying or done putting the sound clip in, you click stop. Bam, you got your recording. Now, if you click here, this is where all my recordings in each of my videos. Let me show you one of them. Now my head, where am I? Ah! See, that's from my recent video. My second recent video. Because my most recent video is a vlog video. But, anyways, I'm gonna show you something else too. Now, there's also some already use voice already to use lines like noises like bam. Yep, all that. And then you have this. And then you have the gun I use. These are the punches I use. So yeah, this stuff is really hard to learn, and when I first started using this, I didn't really use a guide, so it was a really big learning curve for me. But once you figure it out, you're good to go. So yeah, I think that's all I needed to say. That's all I really know. This video is just for people who want to learn animation and want to get started, and probably will do better than I will. But that's all I really have to say. This has been my tutorial on how to make stop motion animation on your phone. Also, warning: this app is very glitchy. It will also when you're doing audio, don't make it too loud and put it close to the thing. Like if you take a phone and you're about to put it to speaker, don't put it too close, because that's how I almost lost Sonic Shorts 6. So yeah, and it will occasionally kick you out or not allow you to click something. So I would just say get out of the app, close it, and then get right back in. So yeah, that's really all I have to say. I hope this tutorial was useful for people who just want to learn how to do animation. And it's fun. And you could do traditional 2D animation with this by putting your I've done it before with a non-uploaded video that even if I wanted to, I couldn't upload. And I've done it before with where I've drawn multiple pictures on a piece of paper and made it into a traditional 2D animation. You can do that, but I'd say just do the figures. It's easier and it looks greater. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I want to say. It's been Jordan. Hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.